It's usable Alucard. Whatever that means. He's usable and he's Alucard. How about Ryu again? Try to do another fancy combo like last time. Oh, this is a finals match. Finals against Bison with Ryu. How will it go?
Are you ready? Fight!
Bitch.
The scales have tipped.
No uppercut, okay. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Turn it all around. There it is.
How you like that in the bread basket? Didn't do another dash. I was doing a move, but okay. Okay, more bullshit. More bullshit. Oh my god. All he does is head stomps and I can't react because it's online. Unbelievable.
And the battle continues. Fight! Here's the fight we've all been waiting for.
I can't do anything. It's online. I can't hit that.
Talk about your intense action. First hit, the scales have tipped.
All he does is mash short. He's doing some of the same stuff that Min does, actually. Min does a lot of this. Just mash on fucking short.
Clean hit.
Fuck you, bitch.
What a counter.
Oh my god, of course it doesn't combo. It's online. Of course it beats me. Hit him, come on. Yeah. How you like them apples? How do those fucking oranges taste, bitch? Pull that banana out of your ass.
It all comes down to this. Fight! And with that, the fight is officially underway.
Oh, of course, random slide out of nowhere.
We're in for it now.
Oh, no uppercut, great. No uppercut again, yes. Okay. I did uppercut and nothing happens. I love it. I was going to run away for 800 seconds. Oh, of course, it beats me clean. No uppercut again. You notice that when it came out the first move in the game, and since then it hasn't come out again? You lose, you lose, you lose, you fucking lose, loser, big fucking loser. Here, keep away Scrubs with the cross, the sacred middle finger cross. Keep him on the ground. Don't come near me, online scrub, no, don't come near me. Alright, how many points? Oh shit, what did I do? What did I fucking do? What the fuck is going on? I'm pressing random buttons here. Get out of here. There we go, 113 points, yay.